su no amo na ntu kra ye dendende e ka wa ama wuji hu ba bia eye wo sa wo ye exercise na beko eye wo sa wudi nkuto ye di nkuto twetwenwa e na beko eye wo sa wunya entafo maami bi tisa akosu agboaboaje wonti obi wo ha ne nsam bu ana ne nam bu o mo se wunya maami bi anka wo nta anka wo de ne bremi si ase akosu agboaboaje wa wo ntafo mo mfa ne mra no wo mechi me so me mfrem ma mechi hye Fako 21st clinic na Dr. Sestos ne doctors ahodo a wo mo branches ni nyina no wo mo nhyew e ma wo ntow 21st clinic sciatica yare no wo mo na ye expert ankasa wo mo na timi tuase wo mo na ye mo researcher se ye ho atoye na massage bi e be ye wo no wanantu no wo se ne wo tuase no e begina ba bi egina watimi di akokoduro no waye wadwuma nanse wontimi ntena se nanse woda wontimi na wachi nanse wona mana wo togu so nanse nkrofo se wada na yarefo enye wo eye 21st clinic se bra na ye sciatica no e na aye wo saa na sciatica no de wo mo betuase eye ayaresabia yare bia nso wo mutimi sa eti say ye moja broso say ye diabetes and answer dey awo mu say ye stroke wo fa ba bi na adwodwo eno nso say wo de ba 21st clinic a doctor for ne nurse for mba ye hu adwuma na wo mo aboa eti say wo hwehwe ye branches no edoso mo am won kran ha no Tantra Hill Runabout ni etua ho wo bo se billboard na ebo ho se wo firi amasaman e na eba e wo won sabonkum so e na wo firi achimata mo e na eba na wo fo Tantra Hill no so a e wo won sanifa so ya mentwa runabout no aka kra bia mo du runabout no so no won sanifa so ho a wo hye ya wo de hye ho no wo bo sampa 21st clinic nie ana sa wo temanso Roman Catholic asafo no anase Roman asafo no ne nchen wa na wo kasuafo obom kwa no so new market ye nie 21st clinic nie sa wo komasi a ehwan overseas edan no a ye headquarters Sompa 93.1Fm wo mu no sa dan no a ene wom ena sunyane for original hospital first gate no ene ne di nhwani mu tachi manfo enya bayire nko na wo ho GN bank dandada no ho nso so 21st clinic nkrabata ba ko ho enkranza mensewonom ho na mikunu free ho nso sa wuduru ho no a wo mo ben children's park no wo mo gire mu ankasa takwa ene Roman stores no edi nhwani mu sa wo takra de nso a efie kuma number 9 taxi station takrade wo mo bo adwuma 21st clinic ebi wo brekum goso oboase ene miyama bebre enti wodi an se wo be frɛ 0540311311 a common number 0540311311 0540311311 yenko 0540 eraimo 311311 na eno ano na wa bro wa frɛ ya 21st clinic for be boa na sa sciatica no a aba akosua ye me ma me bi o sa akosua ye se sciatica o meto ase mentini nam se ma me na wukuta pomai bra wo de ba 21st clinic a ye be hye won tentem abasa ha so katente ama ho ato eti efri usisi efa wo to ase fa wo srem no wanantu besi wo nanse no sa yare no se nya wo na ebubu a na ehawa na wunya excruciating pain na chese eye sciatica na wo ma bi wo mu yem adwuma no eye 21st clinic enti frɛ wo ma me bi wo papa bi wo nua bi wo dofo bi wo kunu wo yere oba bi na wo complain se na nsen wo transia na ne to ase ye ne ya na nsen ne sre echi wo no etutu no na nsen na nantu emu tutu no na nsen ne nase entiri ne mu echi no eka ne dwea wo se wo mfrɛ 0540 311311 0540 311311 still 21st clinic Womu ye sciatica expert, womu ye sciatica originator, womu ye sciatica pace setter, womu ye sciatica commandant, womu ye sciatica researcher, womu ye sciatica alpha and omega, the beginning and the end. Entibra na yentu yare na se emao. Apamda na ni adwa munsom na
Ade ba ko ye wo wiase ene sa obesika atere wadwuma mu anasa woniema begu pot na wonya sika mfa nkoyie na adane wadwendwen eno nti na wo se wonya sika kwa bia obeboa ma wadwuma na atumpon Jabinira Bank PLC ene ni daso yen asampa loan e wo homa wona wo pebesia I import won niema ana wo ton auto parts eniema wo duo bia e ma mo ton tuma ana entade sa akonye wo homa obi bia se obebadwabira bank na oni abehwehwe nkomo na yen asampa loan die yenyi collateral yenyi commitment fee die wo hia ye application letter ye begina so dana e de loan ama wo interest rate ne ekituwa bi abapa loan scheme e homa emerge di for maka mo ho abom se ekuo na mo ye recognized institutions na mo be se modwuma enyini kwostro eno ne qualify mo ma mo tumbaji loan na kai will say interest rates in the to Webi. Your savings account, current account, microfinance, shares, susu, dachinti investment, group loan, fixed deposit, and the Kikahon. Jabin Bank PLC, yen head office for Asante Jabin, yen other branches is Nibiso, Ewo Ejoso, Roman Hill, Adesheman, Pankrono, Magazine Road, Abuaso, Fumesa, Onye, Sipetimpo, Bonye, Jabin, and yen new officer Yebieno at Onsu Market, Ebe Kumasi High School Junction. Fair 0271 409340 and 0544 745856. Jabin Bank PLC, among the best.
It's admission time for the 2025-2026 academic year, and St. Andrew Senior High School is calling on all those who want to rewrite your WASSCE. If you failed one subject, two subjects, or even more, St. Andrew Senior High School is the right place for you. If you want to better your grades and finally get the results you've been working for, come to St. Andrew Senior High School. This year, every student passed with straight A's, 100% success, 0 failures, and you can be next. Over the years, St. Andrew Senior High School has been the #1 best private school in Ghana with excellent teaching staff and ultra-modern facilities that provide students with perfect environment for studies. We also provide comfortable and secure boarding facility to make your study experience even better. And here at St. Andrews, students never fail. So hurry and enroll now. At St. Andrews Senior High School, we say perseverance leads to success.
Beautiful Tuesday morning, and of course, blessed is he that keepeth his promise, and he that is and was and is to come. He was and he is to come. He is the Alpha and the Omega. This morning he has been faithful, and once again, by his mercies that endureth forever, he has counted us among the living. We cannot be unfaithful. We cannot be ungrateful. We cannot just be people who are not heart cheerfully giving thanks to our Maker. Of course, we know our Redeemer liveth. Arapai ayabrada na bosomeno egusua February emode and 24th. Sano bed moment ya chibi kom senya de ya. Na nyamenjuma wa ya no ayanwawa. Era so de akyeye biewa. Na ya de aseda anema no. Sompa abusuafo gida. Akacho so tie me na 1 minute kra. You are part of the family because we are building an empire from this family. Arapai yanda wase. Sa waje penye so obema ho kwan amaya som if say you wasomfo, and we are humble to serve you this morning. We are cheerful to serve you this morning. Anopai we are perplexed to serve you, and of course yenim so som no ama aketuapa ti anopai say yetini ade besu asomo say san ade besu apagya na akowiem ha e beso dodo. If say the Ethiopia, I was your sumo. Anapa munyi nyamini dina ye, wone ya, oye emanima. About non swa sport for Babetana say Orlando ne Bapa team no Babe serve as the waters sports tips no open the brain. Na tip of ni nyina will be table so Orlando mchese ne send ye nyoma course no nyanzam gitwa. Ni nyina ewo ho na elema koso arapai komanso ho ayesu ebedie ya behwa dan say ukosuku sumu a ni chichiru senior high schools de ne anim ne say ya ho no agya ho ani abo kosovo kakra ana ani abo belet kakra say de eya trashe enkwada no to the extent say inter colleges na friend interco Superzonas, no, a friend Superzo. Even you understand, sir, even athletics, America, was at your friend Milu. They say, Nina, to trust some hooliganism now, equal vandalism, equal just as a wound in your matantain and your may ye. Oh, I'm ranchia, omde boba pa bo akwada wo senior high school na kwada ni gira oni ade boba se blocks pa de disi dan kakraka hwe kwabrani small boy to boni nua kwada ketwa a teenager to boni sa je se onwu very disturbing arpama bo hu de bedi ho nkomo bansi ado mu ko inter college sa ababa wa ba ko omko kika bom no omko toto ne monasa there akwaso ye secondary school si maybe sa kwada bi so ko repu akwada ba ko ye ko hwe na che se tramon ne wi ne sanse hunu egu mu bag mu school mo kra nya senkitwa na future ni leaders ni and our leaders for the future ni ano ya dio na wo enna fomu a obi kura wo mienu asese still o se de one na ware foforo nya bia akọwie bi. It tells you how important a what here no obi ahwa na ba tete ne mo remadru secondary school se nkwase asem nti tambo ba ne de abono ni nyina so ya na ya ka ho awofo no ka ho bi teacher fo ka ho bi timamfo nyina ya ka ho gs ni titru ka ho recently voter region so tio say case yes we aya excellency John Dramani Mahama ne ba mu a enkwada no ye say oba settle case ni ofie ko to a teacher so abu teacher ni ade awa mo anwia exams kwasi asem ko ade koso kwasi asem ko a membe ko one of the schools o mani adin ya ni adin ba kwasi asem say di anu adin say ade bo be papa will be trim to that extent ankra ne condemn yan say ade kika nkura kakra ba no kra no ja kasifo ni abom kakra ni keti ya no kra na enye. We condemn those acts and they atrashie get here for sorry no more tears will be compound no more ko job aduan dey disase say na no yeso the CCTV Anglican for the CCTV abebo because omu ba hon babu omu be wewe omu nneoma fa na ekoi ya kan wasam yes ya hoka ni fie mesen kwada na o say ya more punishment there be ameka say because garrison now those days at the pass garrison so jala I don't know of today sa mango abere pa things mango ya kono beto boba sa wote ana woto ahu ba sa wodete this mango na tia to performance anu afa bi ka me met ba ku bi mienu bi omkoto bo sa bokum brade di obi atem ma ya dan ko ma so den sa na mo garum bi wo soro ultra MRS woduma ko garum honum ko hye ho kakra masa wontimi ni nkwase asemo timi pa atem didi e ho ye den maami semeti se fro bi say abo akwase that to the extent sa atra so akọ sa atem didi abintimi kakra tawa meti so obi di atem kraye me ko SS oti na mtb you cannot you te obu akra and there akoso yi house master correct me ko inspection ni achi na the dormitory ni egua no ade na no ayedi o ya so ya under age ni aja omu masa go na the days ye fra ba bi nkura boarding school atete ade wo ba tom no kra no wo me yesa anse hunu ni bi ekoso ni ehwe ekoso ani ehwe akwadane is battling for his life. Maybe I make video natural. He's battling for his life. Kwada na ko school so mesu ya. Also you know who say obi e dwane mate ni dwane so ya na so dwane o mu che na say oni anya pipe. Na kwa hwe na ni innocent boy. Innocent boy. Na ni innocent. Bo background team ntambinto. No mu de bo be bod che ni awrade nyankopo. Mi sunu mu. Ada idea na yakoso yi. What is happening? na intercolleges among corner other extra curriculum no omo so wo mu talent ni ade wo mu baby no how talented la ye benya nkofo bi so mu ye no and what is happening na me tane ko bobo kakra mfanji mani kwada nu ko mirika ne wo mu ya ade mpeke bo friends abeze Mateo se hwan mo uzembo to frima dia be kodie anya central region for man hwa mbeko nta colleges na achew na dia kwaso dia anu adene what ala pay be di ukomo in fact me ra wa say ye free hin ya be pia fa ni ye free ya be pia yakoba dan say na be customs for one as much show the recent happenings. Institutional president, former president Akwa Gusu. It tells you how customs what here. President appointed a acting commissioner for the custom division. Ghana Revenue Authority about yebedi hunkomo. Nipa ya appointed no and then service near the idea why you mwa. And then the way forward for a year, you can say a year division, no. Pay about we talking about this. Ya ba ebedi hon komo pa. And so e wo fia na yehu how to manage this. Na Cocoa Board for and chai na deputy CEO no and the minority for your press conference. Ya chen ya MP the lady ye sefua the lady honorable sefua now mo ka say oh deputy da wa ban kra no conflict of interest scabi kra the kokuni company was on the way ready obi opese obehwe ni books mbi obehwe oni madwa nsoro broni the opese obehwe ni books ni bia no wa ready o mahwe ni books mu and I'll be talking about Cocoa Board and it ye koso but then na me no shankobo bi ase na me ka abranche bia ko interview said ya metia me di komango pe no ka chen pa no interview sa wo nse me mpe wa asem na abranche ni na mua ni pan ka chen so mpe mas me nya hwi because omo a ope o masem krade na ade abo ma brabo ne na mua ne mre bi wiase ni kurukuru eda ne ho ko betwa ne ho ba koto ro ko pa adwuma ho ko fortunately for nipa no no any opportunity or board ni so bi obe interview no fa abrante nem fifireti no te condition dem fifireti no gigi la pen ka ma obi abusan question you no ka say on relax abrante no afei de nipa na oso mpe na asem no encourage ni ma ne nya adwuma no branche na ono hu obi a for no reason say on pen asem because of nipa na adwuma ya asem twere de ozo pen asem ba do nim se wiase no eniama sese nioma di adane akwa akoto nipa no ba bi da kro and I say be careful how you treat people, especially when they appear to be a vulnerable state, because your next level may be hanging in their balance somewhere in the future. Yanhwe ye kwan ya faso treaty afoforo sadia na hu pa yanhwe kwan ya faso treaty afoforo, especially bra nipa no edidi nsensem no yanhwe sa kwan ni so ye pa efise ye nim da achim wasem ye nim adeshi a wa be nkoa na nkoa so a wa be adeshi. And we should be careful how we treat our neighbors, our colleagues, our friends, and everyone. Ekwania ya dia foforo faso no eni ntitu bro mu ahu hie hu no. Yenhwe ni ye. Yanya ya nkofo adwuma aye dwen se obetuma wie nipa ni sika after all wugya ya wakobi odie no yenhwe die yanso aye ya adwuma onesa yebu nkofo makwasea yebu omu fa so yentwiti omu yedi yenhwe omu ye. You don't know what will happen in the future, especially when the person is in a vulnerable state. Mra nipa ni wa hu ye what this sembe no kwa branchi na kanipa papa no ho akwanya se o kaseti an ka chen so mpe na asem mpe ma asem bi asem so mpe wa asem kamra onye opportunity to buni kom wo panel ne so ka adwuma no kom yemfa ne da. Not because the guy does not qualify to do the work, but enyasa brantia no entimi nye adwuma no nanso so ono ano koyi kama no etika eye payback time anke eye payback time. But one share niamba bi antane ni nua no enne ne bone o encourage no ka chense menim se obetima ye adwuma no ema wa adwen a wo fa ne mere bi fa me ho ema wa no mfumfum no bi again interview ebusa ni date of birth no akobo data odija ye adwuma the last adwuma wo ye. It tells you how the person was vulnerable at that time. But he didn't take opportunity out of that situation. The parents ni pa. So what time will be now pen asemwa. Enya nipa no mfonso. Ala me ma tu pe. Nyoma yesu ya free branch nsimu. If you dislike someone, it is not their fault. It is your fault. Work on yourself to find good in people and reinvent your mind to see everyone as likable. So also mpo bi asemwa. Enya nipa ne mfonso. Eya wo mfonso abusa ho check your life check abrabo no. Check abrabo no. Eja nse hunu no. On pen asem na e dey. O na ato atade mansha na ato medidi. And you have to be careful abraya ye boyo. Ya wo mre aye di na sasi so. We are in a transition. To kwa ya ni a transition. Ye twam emra ye bedi na sasi so ano ye footprints na babo ho no. Ye mfa nya adepa. Ema ye nuanom. Dia no otan bebrebe awade mu na adofo abaya tamfo matimi tan won ma won parents awofo so timi tan won ma colleagues at work for no reason no mo tan mo ho ofru wa kura se ba me firi me kura se ba obi abedi ne kwei so tan obi. What kind of madness is that? Damn bobe no. It's not the person's fault, it's your own fault. And opa Yehowa Nyankopon kasa nkyere yen na yensua de akina me de tu beka ho yensua de free story nim. May the peace of our Lord which surpasses all understanding be with us this morning. We say assalamu alaikum wa alaikum salam. It is a blissful morning. May we all be great. And opa Orlando mo are ready. Mo fast balls in brain.